Class, our today's topic is decimals. So before I explain you decimals, so first we will discuss about our Indian number system. You all know this is our Indian number system: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and so on. So if suppose this is our number, then what is the meaning of 1? 2 into 1. What is the meaning of 10? 3 into 10. What is the meaning of 100? 4 into 100. And what is the meaning of 1000? 1 into 1000. So what do you understand by this? So your numbers multiply with 10, 100 and 1000. One thing which is very important here: 10, 100 and 1000. Now class, we are talking about decimals. Now you all aware about ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So if I am talking about decimals, so decimals are the number which normally you can find in the right side of the ones place. So these are the places where you can find decimals. Now how you find the numbers? Because we don't know which number will come in the right side of the ones place. So for that you have to understand decimals. So as you all know, this is your ones, this is the multiply of 1. So there is no problem. But if I am talking about 10, this is a multiply of 10. So the left side of the ones place is multiply by 10 and the right side of the ones place is divided by the 10. This is the most important difference between left hand side and right hand side. So class, I can divide this. This is your ones place, and if I am talking about your tens place, this is multiply by 10. And if I am talking about the decimal, this is called tenth place. This is divide by 10. This is your 100 place. You can multiply by 100, and this is called hundredth. Understand? 10th, 100th place, and this is divide by 100. Now you all know this is 1000, multiply by 1000, and again here the place is thousandth. So class, it's very important, th is the last word here, so it's very important. So thousandth means divided by 1000. Now you understand the difference between the normal Indian number system and your decimals. But class, there is one important part. This is your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10th, 100, 1000th. Important, when you write the decimals, you have to put this symbol. This is called decimal. So this symbol indicate the decimal. Then you can easily understand, after this symbol your decimal place will start. Now you understand? Now I'll take the example. Suppose I'm talking about 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place, tens place, 100, 1000. Now you understand? But if I am talking about decimal places, so for that I have to make the symbol. If I make this symbol, then I am writing here 298. Now you can understand, with this symbol you can easily understand this is the symbol of decimal. So what is the meaning of 2? The meaning of 2 is 2 divided by 10. The meaning is 2 upon 10. What is the meaning of 9? 9 divided by 100. 100th place. So the meaning is 9 upon 100. And 8 means class 8 upon 1000. So your decimals you can indicate by 2 upon 10, 9 upon 100 and 8 upon 1000. Now it's very important why we use this symbol. For that I explain you. If I am talking about 2 upon 10, 2 upon 10 means class 2 is divided by 10. So you can easily understand here your dividend is smaller than divisor. So for that you have to use your decimal, because decimals give you 1 0. You already know in the division, when you put the decimal, you can increase 1 0 in your dividend. So 10 2 ja 20. So this is your point 2. If I am talking about 9 upon 100, 9 divide by 100. Again put the decimal and you can increase 1 0. It's important, whenever you put the decimal you can only increase 1 0. Now 90 is not divisible by 100, then you need 1 0 here. So I can write 1 0 here. So if I write 1 extra 0 here, then I have to make 1 extra 0 here also. Now 10 9s are 900. So class 0.09 is your answer. It means after decimal the second place is 9. After decimal second place is 9. If I am talking about 8 upon 1000, then definitely the third place is 8. If I divide 8 by 1000, put the decimal 0. Now we need, this is 80, for 8000 we need 2 0 here, so we can make 2 0 here. 1000 8 ja 8000, so it's 0.008. It means the third place is for 8. So 0.298 means 0.2 means 2 upon 10. Now class, if I am talking about 9, after decimal 9 is in the second place because it's 100th place. It means 9 upon 100. 8 is in the 1000th place, 8 upon 1000. So class, what result we will get in decimals? Whenever we are talking about decimals, the meaning of decimal is it is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, 1 upon 10,000. It means if you divide any number by the multiple of 10, these all are the multiple of 10. So it means either you can divide 2 by 10, 2 by 100, 2 by 1000, 2 by 10,000. It means if you divide any number by the 10, the multiple of 10, 100, the multiple of 10, 1000, the multiple of 10, 10,000, the multiple of 10 is 1 lakh. So if you divide any number by these numbers 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then we can say these numbers are decimals.